Searching for the best Victorinox watch feels like walking into a room where everyone's wearing the same outfit. Same rugged look, same Swiss-made claims, same military-inspired dials. But here's the thing, just because they look similar doesn't mean they perform the same. The real difference? It's in the details most people never check. Product number 1, Fossil Nate Chronograph. First up, the Fossil Nate, and honestly, it's not even a Victorinox, which already raises eyebrows. But people keep comparing them, so let's talk about it. At $167.50, it's got that bold, oversized 15mm case and a chunky stainless steel band that screams, I mean business. If you want a statement piece that looks tough and has stopwatch functionality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hardened mineral crystal resists everyday scratches from keys or door frames, and the 50mm water resistance means you can shower or swim briefly without panicking. The quartz movement keeps accurate time, and the date window adds practicality. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with guys who want style and function without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the weight, and they're not wrong. This thing is heavy. If you're used to lightweight field watches, the Nate might feel like a brick on your wrist. Here's the thing though, if you like that solid, grounded feel, it actually adds to the durability vibe. But if you're sensitive to weight or have thinner wrists, this could get uncomfortable fast. This is perfect for you if you want a bold, masculine watch for casual or weekend wear and don't mind a little heft. Skip this one if you prefer slim profiles or need something for all-day comfort. For the price, it's solid, just know it's more fashion-forward than field-ready. Product number 2, Timex Expedition Scout. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor use. The Timex Expedition Scout at just $63.76. Don't let the price fool you. This is the watch you grab when you're heading into the woods, camping, or just need something that won't quit. If you want reliability without the premium price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The INDIGLO backlight is a game changer in low light. One press and the whole dial lights up, perfect for checking time at night without blinding yourself. The 24-hour dial is ideal if you're used to military time, and the fabric strap is not only comfortable but easily replaceable. Plus, it's built to handle rain, sweat, and dirt, exactly what you need when you're off the grid. Now, some people complained about the plastic casing feeling cheap. And yeah, it's not metal, it's resin. But here's the thing, that's what makes it lightweight and shock-resistant. If you're climbing, hiking, or working with your hands, you don't want a heavy watch that cracks on impact. This one survives drops that would shatter pricier models. This is perfect for you if you need a no-nonsense, durable watch for adventures or daily wear on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for luxury materials or a dressier look. For under $70, it's one of the best value-for-money field watches out there. Product number 3, Citizen ProMaster Diver. Now, if the Timex felt too basic, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Citizen ProMaster Diver at $370.40. This isn't just a watch, it's a certified tool. Yeah, so compliant for diving, it's built for depths up to 200 meters. If you want serious performance and don't mind investing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The eco-drive tech means it never needs a battery, just light, natural, or artificial keeps it running forever. The luminous hands and markers glow bright in total darkness, and the unidirectional rotating bezel helps track dive time safely. The antireflective crystal reduces glare underwater, and the stainless steel build resists corrosion from salt water. Now, some people complained about the size, it's big and can feel bulky on smaller wrists. And they're right. At 40 form, it's not subtle. But here's the thing, dive watches are supposed to be readable and robust. If you're serious about water sports or want a watch that can handle extreme conditions, the size is part of its strength. This is perfect for you if you dive, snorkel, or want a watch that's built to last decades. Skip this one if you prefer slim, everyday wear or have very narrow wrists. It's pricey, but for a lifetime watch, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, Citizen Weekender Blue Dial. Alright, that was a beast, but not everyone needs a dive computer on their wrist. Next up, the Citizen Weekender in blue at $284.18. This one blends sporty style with everyday comfort. If you want a versatile watch that works at the office, gym, or weekend hike, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Again, Eco Drive means no battery changes, just keep it near a window and it runs forever. The blue polyurethane strap is lightweight, sweat-resistant, and perfect for active days. 100 water resistance means you can swim or surf without worry. The mineral crystal is scratch-resistant and the date window keeps you on schedule. It's a true wear-anywhere piece. Now, some people complained about the strap wearing out after a year or so. And yeah, polyurethane isn't as durable as metal. But here's the thing, it's replaceable and many users swap it for a NATO or leather strap to refresh the look. It's not a flaw, it's a feature for customization. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, low-maintenance watch for daily adventures. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty diving specs or prefer all-metal construction. For the tech and versatility, it's a smart mid-range pick. Product number 5, Citizen Avian Field Watch. Finally, the Citizen Avian Field Watch at $237.93. A sleek aviation-inspired piece that feels like it belongs in a pilot's cockpit. If you want a refined field watch with Swiss-level precision and timeless design, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The spherical mineral crystal curves with the case, reducing glare and giving it a vintage look. Eco Drive keeps it powered by light, and the 100 water resistance handles rain or swimming. The Silvertone stainless steel is polished yet rugged, and the clean dial with luminous markers ensures readability in any light. It's understated but built to last. Now, some people wished it had a compass or more tactical features, and fair point, it's more style-forward than survival-focused. But here's the thing, not every field watch needs to be a tool-heavy beast. Sometimes you just want something elegant that still performs. This is perfect for you if you want a sophisticated yet durable watch for travel or everyday wear. Skip this one if you need chronographs or extreme sport features. For a blend of class and function, it's a standout. So which Victorinox style watch wins? The Fossil Nate for bold style, the Timex Scout for budget durability, the ProMaster for serious diving, the Weekender for everyday versatility, and the Avian for refined field elegance. None are perfect, but each excels in its lane. Pick based on your life, not the logo. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I break down gear so you don't waste your money.